Let's have fun and learn.
Yay!
Hi friends. Can you guess the animal? This is easy level. Let's play. Can you guess? Yes, a cat. What animal is this? It's a dog. Do you know this animal? A cow. Let's think. That's a horse. You're doing great. Can you guess? Yes, a duck. Do you know this animal? A chicken. What animal is this? It's a rabbit. Great job. Let's think. Yes, a sheep. Good job. What animal is this? A fish. Nice guessing. Can you guess the animal? It's a frog. Can you guess? Great, it's turtle. Do you know this animal? That's a monkey. Can you guess the animal? It's a lion. Let's think. An elephant. Can you guess? That's a giraffe. Great job. Do you know this animal? Yes, a bear. What animal is this? It's a panda. Let's think. A bird. Do you know this animal? Great, it's a hamster. Can you guess the animal? It's a penguin. Great job! Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.